Hello everyone. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's fine. It's been raining here for past 2 days now, and there's a lot of water everywhere. As you can see, there's a lot of water on the land, and trying to get rid of the water. These guys are trying to fork something in the ground, like a stick or something, and then all the water will reside into the ground, inshallah. As you can see, there's a lot of water everywhere. It's been raining for past 2 days, thundering, raining. It's so bad. It's just sort of here. As you can see, the water's all चल काशफ जल्दी कर इंगा स्टिक नाल पूरा इंगा स्टिक अंदर करया करो हाँ ये सारा पानी चूसी किनसी था Good, Zoheb, good. तो क्या केड़ा आवाज आया? This is such a good way if you've got a lot of water on the ground and on your garden, in your garden or something. Just poke something into the earth. And inshallah all the water in about an hour's time it'll suck it up. The ground will just suck it up, inshallah. Okay, Allah Hafiz everyone, bye bye.